Eh,
Oh my God! That was so cool.
magaling talaga siya.
Siyempre lahat naman sila eh. So guys, ngayong gabi, magre-reacting kami sa bagong release na kanta ni Jennie Kim. Yan, si Jennie Kim na dati sa Blackpink.
Blackpink pa rin ba siya?
I don't know.
Blackpink pa rin yan.
Yung kanta niya nilabas ngayon is Like Jennie. So guys, 8 days niya pa lang ito nilabas. Pero 9 million na kaagad yung nanonood mga ate. Sana tayo rin. So guys, mag-i-start na tayo ngayon ng
Okay
ating
na natin.
acting.
Parang short lang siya. Ilang minutes lang to? 2 minutes
2
lang.
minutes.
Ago.
So, bali mga 5 minutes dapat yung video.
Actually, isa rin si Jennie sa favorite ko sa Blackpink. Eh.
Ako si Lisa, pero gusto
Unang-una
ko
si
naman-
Lisa, pero pangalawa si Jennie.
Kamukha ko kasi.
Gusto ko silang lahat. Ago na. Oh my God! Sobrang nice.
That's live performance.
Intro pa lang, mukhang pasabog na.
Yung boses niya talaga yan. Perfect! Sexy so much like me.
Yeah, you like you.
She's so pretty like me.
Actually. Eh,
Oh my God! That was so cool. The chorus na the chorus.
You look like Jennie.
Jenny.
Jenna. Hey. Hey, Jenna.
Perfect yung production niya kasi ano siya, real voice niya, then
Ang galing.
performance niya. Hindi siya napapagod, no?
Magaling talaga siya.
Siyempre lahat naman sila eh.
Eh,
Ay! Bakla nagkasalamin nakita mo?
pinapasok pa rin talaga yun yung lock page nila. Pero nice. Yeah.
Nagagawin siya sa lamin.
You look like Jennie.
Thank you.
What do you want, Jennie or Lisa?
Perlas.
Jennie. But Jenna sounds like Jennie.
Jenny.
Eh, ang yaman naman ng production na ito.
Totoo, no?
Eh, budget.
Paano rin yung nagastos niya dyan?
Simple
Saka,
lang, no?
her money is so, so alat.
Yeah.
Grabe, ang dami niya rin akong binayaran niya.
I think you need to speak English.
I can really talk like English because it was so good. Look at the production and the people. I think they're all boys and girls.
Galing yan.
Yeah.
Napaka-performer talaga nila.
Plus, she's so sexy hanggang ngayon.
Oh, so what did you say about this
The
video?
production, the video. I really like the video because the production is so good, the people are so good.
Okay.
They are so hyper, they're so pretty. Like, look at the face of Jennie. Face card never like.
So what did you say? Jennie's performance and song lyrics.
Literally so good because she always put their language on her song.
Yeah.
Even if she is English
Yes.
speaking.
Okay.
She always put some Korean or Japanese else.
Korean.
Yeah. 안녕하세요.
Yeah. So Jennie's perfect.
Yeah, like me. Jana's perfect.
Oh, so now I ask a question from you, Jenna.
Okay.
Like, sounds like Jennie.
Yeah.
So now,
He's my sister. She's my sister.
she's your sister Jennie. Oh my God, si Ate.
Jennie Kim.
So
Siya
now,
Siya Jennie Kim. Ako Jenna Asim.
So now, sinong gusto mo sa kanilang dalawa? Lisa or Jennie? So,
Definitely, my sister.
Jennie.
No, Lisa.
Ano?
Yes.
Lisa is
I
your
have
sister
Kuto.
too.
Yeah, I have Kuto and then she have Lisa.
What's Kuto? What Kuto? Explain the foreigner viewers.
The Kuto means garapata in your head. Like, you're getting like that, then monkey eating and like that. Just kidding. Hala, dumagdag! Bakit ako mandar siya?
So now, Jenny, what do you say again? Jenny performance, Jenny's music video.
Literally, I really love the video. I really love the lyrics. I really love the production, the plays, at all.
And you really love to Jenny.
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you, Jenna Marie, for
I
your...
really missing my sister, Johnny Kim. Your missing sister is here, Jana Asin. Thank you. Ay,
Thank you, guys. Explain mo sa kanila kung bakit tayo nag-i-English sa vlog natin today para maintindihan ng ibang foreigner. O go.
we're talking now in our vlog in English because there's our foreigner or from the other countries watching our vlogs here in the YouTube. So
We need to
we
speak
need to speak in English because
because the
they don't know
foreigners viewers
how to understand our talking at.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're so great. You're so smart.
No. I am so disappointed. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like and share and click the button of my bottom.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye-bye. Jenny,
Jana Asi!
Eh.